Did you hear? Wait till you feel how it feels against your skin. It feels against your skin?
Angel's king.
Something to do with skin?
I will burn your face!
When is Toast coming back? Dude, every month he tells us. 1 month. 1 month. I don't think he's coming back, chat. I don't think he's coming back. All he does is debate us over and over again. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it, chat. Nah, he's probably coming back soon.
We'll go to the beach with her soon, but we have a lot of stuff coming up, so we'll be pretty busy. We'll try to make some time. And Mai's gonna take us to Cancun. She's gonna pay for our flight, right, Mai?
Then what are you gonna do to me?
What am I gonna do to you? Whatever you want. Cool. Alright, so see you guys on Discord. I'll be heading home soon, so bye guys.
I won't show it up. Have you guys locked in your answer?
Sure.
Hey, Fed!
Yeah.
Hey, this is Albert. We are on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire with Just Friends. Your friend Jamie needs your help.
Oh, did Jamie call me?
Yeah. Okay, Jamie, go ahead and ask him the question.
Alright, Fed.
Wait. No.
Fed, don't do it. You're betraying the boys.
No Googling
Fed,
anything.
don't answer it.
No Googling.
Don't
No
do
Googling.
it, Fed.
Okay, Fed.
Fed, don't answer her.
Aiden!
Don't answer her, Fed.
We got extra time,
It's
right?
guys versus girls. Don't
Fed,
turncoat.
I have a
We
cake.
got bros before hoes.
Aiden!
Bros before hoes.
Fed, I have a cake and a table named after me, and I'm used all around the world. What am I? It's a riddle.
FDB.
Wait, sorry. Repeat one more time.
I have
FDB, Fed.
Aiden, I have a cake and a table named after me, and I'm used all around the world. What am I?
Coffee?
He saw chat. There's no way he knows this.
What? I'm just wiping my board.
Did he change his answer?
The whiteboard looks the same as I remember.
He said it so fast. There's no way. Oh my god.
And he was so unsure.
I'll trust you guys to leave whatever was on the whiteboard there.
No, I think he knew it.
You try to shoot me? I don't know my left and right. This is bad. Hiya! Okay, we gotta do the voices. Yeah! Yeah! You! Yeah! Caca! Yeah! It's the only way, chat. It's the only way. I apologize. I have to. It actually worked.
What did she put? She answered.
Oh, you answered?
Yeah.
Alright, what's your answer?
Well, I mean, I don't know what this number is, but I wrote it. You said 2 to the 12th power, right?
2 to the 12th power.
Oh! I thought you meant decimal places! No!
That's a -5.
It's a -5 for them.
Wow, this is really close now.
Hold on. Oh man, this
Not
is
to worry!
Oh my god.
We wanted it to be close.
right?
My name is Leslie. I'm not that cool. The blue team sucks, and the red team rules. We're the blue team. Guess losing was our fate. But at least I got Edison to take me out on a date.
Flies to a crime scene and he says what you should have done and flies away. Yeah. It's one of my favorite superhero traits. It's really good. Yeah.
Whoa, dude. Okay.
Oh my god.
So you Edison, you're not playing. Got it. Okay. So.
Okay, Poki, you're good? Oh yeah, try to jump on it.
Alright, Lily, you got this. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, tell me like one of your friends.
Look sexy.
Lily, that was great.
Yes, you came in.
Thank you. I'm trying.
Jay.
Oh, Nelly. Hey, what's up? Oh, this is my girlfriend.
No, my God.
No, it's not. So, we're just friends.
Friends?
Yeah, yeah.
YouTuber? No. No.
Yeah, also. Where's your friend? Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye. My, you look... What? My, what are you wearing? It's so hot.
Help those e-girls right now who are stripping in the IRL section for, you know, Snapchat nudes and stuff. Like, I'll help them, I'll host them, get them to the top of IRL, get some equipment, some protection for them. And in exchange, I would ask for like 10% of their income. And the great thing about this is we're not doing anything illegal, right?
All right, moving on. The sixth to last question.
Oh, what?
Annie's mom has had sex with 15 men. Annie has had sex with 1.5 men. If Annie's mom now has sex with 3 new men per year, and Annie has sex with 5 new men per year, how long will it take for Annie to become sluttier than her mom?
That's a very vague question.
Okay, so this is Aaron's
Oops.
mom.
Why are there so much people curious about your personal relationships? It's mostly because they live vicariously through me. Because I'm very relatable. I'm short, unattractive, with acne, single, above average education, male, between 18 and 25. So in their eyes, if I can get a girl, they can get a girl.
Good. Oh my god! Holy. Okay, you guys can't see that, but I swear there's a spider. There's a spider right there.
I do right.
Literally. Oh my god, I know you guys can't see it, but it's freaking huge. Oh my god, it's a huge spider. What do I do? Ah! 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 Oh my god.
The spider, I, and you the fly.
Okay, okay, it was actually crawling down towards my bed. At least now it's crawling to the ceiling. Oh!
You're right. How can you never stay honest with Albert when you say you cheated? Whoa! What? Well, I'm just asking. It's a question.
Is this true?
No! Well, no. To cheat on you, I'd have to be with you to begin with.
Oh, yeah.
And that's a me.
With Poki's mom.
Why are you just changing all the moms? TJ, what is... Yikes. Mom, it's not what it looks like. He's never seen a picture of you. I've never shown him. TJ's just... He's just a funny guy like that. He likes to change up lyrics to be funny. It's not like he actually is into, like, anyone's moms. TJ. Yikes.
What the hell was that, TJ?
TJ gonna be all your daddy?
What's up with Lily?
Saying, use me this way. Like, Put your mouth this way, because I love it raw.